guys, I'm Simona here with you today to talk about some tips and tricks for studying for the SAT exam. So the first tip for you to tackle your SAT studying would be first to familiarize yourself with the exam. The test directions are the same on every exam, so it would be really beneficial for you to just first memorize yourself with time allowed for each section, as well as what you would be expected to do on each portion of the exam. For the reading and writing portion of the exam, it is crucial to have a very advanced level of vocabulary skills. So in order to practice different vocabulary words, it would be really beneficial to first go online and make a list of at least 200 different and challenging vocabulary words. So after you make a list of different SAT vocabulary words, it would be recommended that you then write them on different flashcards, like this for example. On the first side of the flashcard, you would write the word itself, and then on the reverse side, you would write the definition of the word as well as an example of how the word is used in context. Another tip that would be super beneficial to study multiple different vocabulary words would be to familiarize yourself with Latin roots. So knowing that vivere, the Latin root, means to live, would help you to know that vivacious in itself means lively. For the math portion of the exam, some tips and tricks to help you study for the exam would be to familiarize yourself with all the different formulas. The reason for this is because you'll be expected to know the same type of formulas for every single exam. Also, for the math section, because you have multiple choice and fill in the blanks, it is important to familiarize yourself with the Scantron layout of the exam. Because some questions you'll be bubbling an answer, and some questions you'll be filling in answers on your Scantron. So it would be really beneficial for you to make flashcards with each individual formula itself. So for this example, I put midpoint formula. So on one side, I have the midpoint formula, and on the opposite side, I have the formula itself. Then I would categorize for both your vocabulary words as well as your mathematical formulas into 3 separate categories. Those categories would be words and formulas in which you are confident in knowing and have memorized, as opposed to vocabulary words and formulas you need work on studying. And then the third category are vocabulary words and mathematical formulas which you really have never seen before and you really need extra time studying. So that way you know what you need to focus on studying more. For each category of your flashcards, you can mark them with a different color, depending on the different areas in which you yourself can see that you need help in improving and things that you have mastered. That's all that I have for you today, guys. Once again, I'm Simona. Thanks again for watching this video on SAT. See you soon.